This is the Nilight 360-piece auto retainer clips kit, and it has a nice picture on the front here that shows you all the clips with all the measurements and sizes, as well as how many pieces you get. And it also comes with some zip tie clips, the clip removal tool, as well as several tools for removing trim and door panels. And they range from 6 millimeters up to 10 millimeters, so they're good for many different makes and models, and they're just as good a quality as the OEM ones. And they come in this nice case, so they're easy to store. It's a handy kit to have around just in case you lose a clip.